Skill Builder channel has followed Daniel Cox down to the West Country to see Ralph from Benchdogs. Now, Benchdogs make products in their own right, but they're also manufacturing Daniel's brand new Hinge Jig. This has been something that has been a long time in the coming. Tell us how long, Dan?
Probably about 10 years. My first one that I made, solid aluminium, 6 foot, extremely heavy, probably well over 10 years ago I think now. And over many years, it's probably kept me up quite a lot of nights, sadly, thinking about moving it, changing it, working with Ralph.
Yeah, we've worked on some prototypes, chopped and changed it a bit.
So Ralph, just tell us a little bit about your operation here, because you seem to have invested quite a lot of money in machinery here.
Over the years, I've been working hard on getting new products out, and what we've done is as you're making a little bit, we're investing it back into the company to help produce more tools. We aim for high precision, British made tools, and we've got a reasonably good following. People around the world buying our products. You know, they're buying into our brand, which is great. You know, when you buy our products, it says what it does on the tin.
Dan, you believe in British engineering as well, don't you?
I sure do, yeah. It's much better. Like now, I've been down to see Ralph quite a few times, so face to face, we can iron out the problems. Could have gone to China, but don't speak Chinese.
Just give us a brief overview of what you do, Ralph.
It's a bit hidden in the name, really. We started making Benchdogs. As I said, we've invested more and more into machinery to make products like our ruler system. A lot of people already know our rail squares. We make them for all different brands of tooling. Precision triangles, tri-squares, T-squares, along with lots of other stuff. We got our fence system here, which is used on the MFT. Once again, a very popular product. So as you know, a Benchdog is made for generally the MFT top, which is obviously grids of holes every 96mm, generally 20mm, and it allows you to rest material up against them to get 90-degree cuts. And Benchdogs have been around for years, but they used to be square. Now they're round and made of aluminium or stainless steel, and they all come in all different shapes and sizes. You've got large ones there, you've got flat-faced ones there, and you've also got fence dogs ones which hold fences onto the MFT table as well. There's nothing worse than working on one of these tables and screws falling through and dust going down below, and some people just don't have access to grab things from underneath. So the MFT plugs, they've been a great seller for us, and they just stop that hassle of just things falling through. It's one of those products that people sometimes think, oh, do I need it? But when they use them, they love it. We promote ourselves on Instagram mainly, obviously email marketing with our present customers at the moment. We're reaching out and doing a bit more on YouTube as well, and obviously with people like Peter Millard and the Woodgrafter and Bish Bash Bosh as well. They've all helped us grow in with our company as well. In the EU, we have a couple of dealers. We got our fiscal partner in the Netherlands, and we have a couple of stores, one in the Netherlands, and there's another one in Sweden that we've got on board, and we've got another one coming on board in the near future. Germany and France is where they're going to look after. We ship worldwide. We've shipped to South America, North America, Korea, Japan, Australia, Africa, everywhere around the world. We've sold our products everywhere.
Thank you very much. It's great to see you, and I'm very impressed by what you're doing here. The machines you've got, that must be a few quid. That's more than a week's wages for me.
Yeah, 2 weeks. You know.
Okay, Dan, so you're looking forward to your Hinge Jig coming out?
Can't wait for it to come out, so that'd be good, and good to work with Ralph.
And hopefully your next invention won't take you 10 years then.
No, I think that's it for a minute. I'm out of ideas.